Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought for you a wonderful video that will open your eyes towards handling failures and achieving greater success. Every year I feel very sad when I come to know that some students commit or attempt to commit suicide after failing in their 10th or 12th board exams, or after failing to crack IIT, JEE, or PhDs, or other exams like that. Look, my dear friends, failing in any exams never proves that you are not a winner, but committing suicide proves that you are not a winner and exposes all your weaknesses. Do you think that one bullshit page of your mark sheet reflects all your hidden talents? Is your life even deeper than that single bloody page of your mark sheet? No, of course not. Your life is a marvelous book of brilliantly colorful pages where you will find both ups and downs, success and failures. Greater success normally comes to a person in the later half of his or her life, and before that he or she has to face lots of failures and setbacks. Similarly, the later half of your life book too contains hugely successful stories of yours, but you can celebrate your greatest success only if you don't finish your life before that, and only if you wait till you read all the pages of your life book. So, never give up, keep making efforts, and wait for your turn of the greatest success. Committing suicide is not a solution to your problem. In fact, by committing suicide, you actually close the door of the greatest success which was destined for you. Failures, in fact, teach you the true lessons of achieving success, which you cannot learn otherwise. No man in this world has ever achieved success without having a taste of failures, and greater success are achieved by learning lessons from greater failures. Now, meet this amazing personality, Jack Ma, who is one of the richest persons in the world and the founder of Alibaba.com. He has reached the pinnacle of his success after becoming the king of failures. Listen to his story in his own words.
I had a lot of fail. I failed for funny things that I failed a key primary school test for 2 times, and I failed 3 times for the middle schools. You know, for 3 years I tried to fill in the universities. So I applied jobs for 30 times, got rejected. I went for a police. They said, no, you're not good. I went to even the KFC. When KFC came to China, come to my city, 24 people went for the job. 23 people accepted. I was the only one guy. And we went for police. 5 people, 4 of them accepted. I was the only guy that I received it. So to me, being turned down, rejected. Oh, by the way, I told you that I applied for Harvard for 10 times, rejected. I know I'll be rejected. I just don't want to say that.
Yeah, sorry now.
10. Did you get it? He made friendship with failures that led him to his grand success. I'm sure that after watching this video, whenever you encounter any failure, then instead of closing the door of the greatest success, which is destined for you, you would embrace your failure and learn a lesson from it, as each failure trains you and prepares you for achieving greater success. In my opinion, greater failures lead you to greater success. Smaller failures lead you to smaller success. And no failure, no success. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends.